Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle of this additional in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, March the 18th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, actually it's a 1 star, and we have the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary one. Yes, 3 puzzles I will do. There are 6 puzzles in this additional, but only half of them I will solve. And the second one I will solve is a binary puzzle number 4277. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Yeah, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Now we need, I think, we need to compare. Well, I think this box cannot be a O. Otherwise, if I place an O here, we have 4 O's. Then these two should be ones. So 3 ones in a row, not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Okay. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Okay, now we can compare. The rows or the columns. Which one shall I compare? Double one, 001, yeah. This column and that column. Empty box. 00111 empty box. That means we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I hope the publisher publish a 4 stars puzzle, because I need a difficult one, yes. Almost every time for the tectonic is so easy to solve. I hope this one will be 4 stars. Okay, see you then. Bye bye for now.